young, black and beautiful.
Yes.
Hi and welcome back to Venture Cat. On this channel we talk about travel, personal finance and lifestyle, and in today's video I am unboxing the housewarming gifts that I received when I had my housewarming a week ago, about a week ago. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the ones that are like really wrapped because I literally have no clue what's inside them. Actually, oh no, let me start with the ones that are visible, I think. Okay, yeah. So I got this cute plant. I think I'm already killing it. Where there's a plant, you see? I don't know if you can see that one. This one here. This flower is dying and I don't know why. The instructions say keep in bright light. It's been a bit dark the past few days. It only started brightening up today and like not that much. Fertilize monthly with universal plant food and keep soil moist. I think it's moist. I don't know. It's like damp. Is that the same thing? I don't know. But I'm trying. But I will keep it alive. This is like the first plant that I own, so that's cool. I got these beautiful flowers. They're like wilting a bit now. It's horror wilting, yes. But they're gorgeous. I really love them. So funny story, I bought this vase and I didn't have flowers, but I want to have fresh flowers. Like I want to be that fresh flower person. And I was just saying to him, it's like I manifested because yeah, I'm really happy. I have even one in my bedroom in like a old gin bottle for aesthetics because it's see-through and I don't have a see-through vase. But anyway, I digress. So I'm happy, and you know, you can keep the flowers coming if you want to spoil me. Just ask me for my address, you know, if you know me like that. This I am happy about. Like, I am not scared about killing it because I think, you know, I might drown it, I might overwater it, but like, I think this is low maintenance, you know. But we'll see. I'm gonna keep both plants alive by fire, by force, not by actual fire. Okay, and I am drinking some gin and tonic and dry lemon. The story is that there was a bit of tonic left over and a bit of dry lemon and not really enough space in the fridge for two bit of bottles, so I just mixed it together and I was like, it'll be fine. But now I'm not quite sure. It's okay, it's just sweeter than what I would normally like my GMT to be like, but it's not bad. Okay, this is nicer than the first one that I mixed. I like it. I actually like it. I like it. I think I might do that. Okay. I'm gonna open this. Oh my gosh, look at how it's wrapped. Okay. Okay. So this was just sort of taped on. Story about these knives, they are so sharp, guys. I cut myself twice on the day of the housewarming. Oh, look at that, coming off so easy. Alright, black selfie. I'm kidding! Oh my gosh, I'm kidding. Actually, no, don't say that. This is for TV, yo. Okay. Woo. Okay. I am not good at this. Please keep knives away from me. Botanique. It says botanique. This is what I'm seeing. I don't need to use that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys. I wonder what this is. Okay. Here we go. Then we're gonna stipple. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so it's like bath product. Oh my god. I'm gonna have like the luxurious bath things. Don't come here and be like, they're telling me I don't bath. I do bath. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It has a spa thing. Self-care weekend coming up. Okay. Okay, there's a message. The Style and Grace Spa Botanique collection is inspired by the calming influence of nature, combining beautiful formulations and a fragrance that balances something floral, top notes of bergamot, wang wang, yang yang, lang. Okay, I'm not sure what this word says. I feel like it's YLANG. Yall. It's a YL. How do you pronounce that? Lang. Is the Y silent? I don't know. Unless that's a W, but it's weird. I think it's YL. Okay, and Lily with. Okay, I don't think any of us remember the first part I read, so it's fine. This is so cute. Okay, so it has a body lotion, a body wash. I don't know what this flower thing is. It's like a scrub, I guess. Okay, body lotion, body wash. This is crystals. Okay, let me just open because I can't. Nice! Oh, it smells even. Ooh! Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this. Okay. So there's bath crystals. There's a candle. You know I love a candle. There's this bowl. Is it a bath bomb? I hear people speaking about bath bombs, but I've never seen one. This is cute. Okay. And is this a scrub? I think it is. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that's number one. That I unboxed. Ooh, okay. This is a double. There's like 2 gifts on it. And it's heavy, guys. Interesting. So, okay. Whoop. Okay. I wonder what this is. I doubt that it's chocolate because I'm pretty sure my girl knows I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate. Yep. That's glass. Can you hear that? Okay. I'm just gonna. Oh my god. Okay. So at first I was thinking these are shot. What are these for? These are glasses. It says espresso mug. Oh, they are mugs. Are they mugs? I thought these were like huge ass shot glasses. They were so big. But so I was confused. watch me host a high tea, pinkies up. Okay, but they cut the espresso shots in my juice. Okay, I love this. This is so cool. Okay, I hope I put it back. I can't believe I go to the shot glasses. This is awkward because I know for sure I have another gift that's flute glasses. But I mean, you can never have enough flutes. I mean, how many people did I have over here? This is 6. I'm happy actually. That's good. These glasses are so heavy. And it's like crystalline. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna open this next or unbox just because there's champagne to drink in my flute glasses. Yes. And this one I've opened already, guys. This, I thought, I was like, is this a vase? It's not. It's the wine thingy-mabob thing. So you pour your wine in there and then you serve out of here. So, this is to close it. Luxury. Living a life of luxury. This friend's thing, how cute is this? Oh my god. A key holder. I just don't know. I mean, I suppose I'm supposed to put the house keys in there. I think so. I'm supposed to put the house keys in here. Definitely. And it has a letter which I think I should read for myself. Congrats on your new place. So it says, Dear Dudu, I am extremely proud to call you my friend. You inspire me to go for the things I want unapologetically. And with this wine tab, I hope you get to drink as blissfully as we should to a new era. And it's like, you are the bow tie. Oh my god! Thank you, friend. Thank you. I need to have like a stand, a display, something, and this is definitely going on there. She said I deserve to drink as blissfully as I should. She was referring to wine, but I think any drink will do. So we were saying also, like, I can put any wine I want in here. I can buy like super cheap wine and put it in here, and it'll look expensive, darling. Ooh, speaking of wine, I got this wine bottle of wine. It's a Cabernet. Yup. But that cup had flames, so it's not Corona. The reason I was like, I know I have wine glass, I mean champagne flutes, is because, like, she asked, what should I get you? Like, she was asking, do I have a registry? And I was like, no. Honestly, I didn't even expect all these gifts. But these are the other flutes from Desiree. They are so cute. These are like classy. They're like the classic. So we'll be drinking from here. Girl. So it's clear that I need to get champagne. People need to buy me MCCs, champagnes, bonang sparkling wine. You know, this is the energy. This is the energy that I, you know, so get me wine, champagne, yes, and wine, and like get me alcohol. Any type of alcohol will do. I'll be happy. Okay, and this I'm excited about. It's a wine rack. Yeah. So I think where's that bottle? Ooh. I think you put them in like this. I'm not sure, I think. Yeah. Child. Yeah. One, so I can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles of wine. Girl, I really need to do that display thing, so we'll see. I'm thinking. Okay. And then this is my favorite bottle of gin ever. I'm sure. Okay, no, this is YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this. I love this bottle of gin. It's my favorite. Holla at Inverrush, the amber one. Holla. Sponsor me. Send me more. Like literally, I love this one. This gin. Yeah. I love this gin. It's my favorite. So this was from Anande, my friend from varsity, and it was a set of cutlery. She also asked me like, what should I get you? And I didn't have cutlery, so we opened it on the day of the housewarming because I didn't have cutlery. I didn't have enough cutlery to feed the people, the masses. So it's not in here, but I haven't read this message. Congrats on your new home, Anande. This is so cute, first of all. Like, I could put stuff in here. Oh, it's from Woolies. Okay. Festive red. I don't know how you pronounce that. Wreath? Wreath. Oh, isn't a wreath like the flower thing? I don't know. I think so. Okay. So it's biscuits, I think. It's gingerbread biscuits. Cute! And it's the festive season coming up. Ooh. Okay, look at that. Oh, so they're packaged. Okay. Ooh. Study snacks or just snacks. Nice. They smell so good. This is cute. And then she got me. Oh my gosh, strawberry. This is it's black. It is black. Yes, it is. This is cute. This is, oh my gosh, my lasagna dreams. Ideal for roasting, baking, and freezing. Oven, dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe. Okay. Love this. This is like bath mat. It feels so soft. Like I literally would want to sleep on this. I wish it was bigger. So this is what I got, guys. These are the gifts. Ah. Okay. Sleep. Okay. Oh, and I got this from Milan. I got a map, a travel map. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Amazing. It's a scratch map, and I'm gonna scratch off all the places I've been to, and as I go to new places, I'm gonna scratch that off. So excited for that one, like over the long term. So yeah, and he got me a bug option. Alcohol makes me happy. As you can tell, I think the general theme of most of the gifts was like alcohol. So yeah, cheers to that. Okay. Right, so that's it. Those are the gifts that I got. That was my housewarming a week ago. It was so fun. Thank you so much to everyone who pitched up, and thank you for all the gifts. And yeah, really appreciate it, and I appreciate you, and I'm so grateful for like the people that I've met in my life. Like, yeah, I think the biggest blessing I have in life is the people that I've met. They are awesome. Okay, boy, I'm gonna take a bath. But the self-care stuff. Okay, cheers.